In this video I'm going to show you how to change clock icon on iPhone iOS 26.4.2 on your home screen. As you can see, showing it to my clock apps. Just long press, then I'm get this interface. If you want to change size, press on. Now make it to bigger. Long press to make it smaller. Okay, or if you want to change style, so long press, click on to edit home screen. Okay, press on edit to add widget. Select clock, and make it and showing it to more style. Okay, select any style, like select this style, press on to add widget. Okay, now successfully add this. Or if you want to move anywhere, okay, that's it.